In this video, I'll show you how to use ClickUp for software development, how you can set up a real Agile workspace to running sprints, tracking bugs, linking PRs, and more. If you want to follow along step by step, go ahead and get started using our link in the description down below for convenience. It's the easiest way to jump in and use the same steps that I'll be sharing. Now, ClickUp is an everything application that can run your entire dev workflow: backlog, sprint planning, execution, bugs, and releases, using tasks, docs, dashboards, automations, and integrations. When you've created your account and logged in, the fastest way to avoid building everything from scratch is to simply start with a template. So you want to navigate to the templates and then search software development or sprints. ClickUp has an official software development template that is designed for product, design, engineering, and QA teams, supporting Scrum or Kanban in one space. Now, generally what you're looking for in a good template should include a product backlog, a sprint or iteration workflow, a bugs area or bug statuses, views like list and board, and a few core custom fields with priority, type, story points, etc. Now, here is a clean structure that most teams should actually use, starting with the space or the engineering, as this will be your main dev space. In the folders, you can create folders to separate the big categories, with the product backlog, sprints, bugs, releases, which is optional but helpful. And then inside each folder, use a list like backlog list, sprint lists, and bug lists. If you're doing Scrum, ClickUp has a sprint system that you enable using a ClickUp. So in your workspace settings, you want to enable sprints ClickUp, sprint points. ClickUp's official sprint guidance is built around creating a sprint folder and tracking points. So inside the engineering, you want to make a folder called sprints and then create lists like sprint 1, sprint 2, etc. ClickUp will track sprint metrics like points and sprint reporting features, and availability can vary by the plan that you have chosen. In a separate folder or inside the same space, you want to create a product backlog. This list is where new work will be until it's ready to be pulled into one of the sprints. So here is a simple sprint planning flow that works. First one is product or engineering triage backlog, so prioritize and clarify. You add estimates, the sprint points, drag items from backlog into the sprint list, and then assign owners and add acceptance criteria. To keep everything consistent, add a custom field called item type. It should have the feature, bug, chore or tech debt, spike or research, and then add a priority field. This will make reporting and sprint planning way easier for your team. And finally, we can use views that actually help the developers. As ClickUp gives you a lot of views, you don't want to be using everything at once. Just pick the views that your team will actually open. Starting with the board view or the Kanban, which is perfect for daily execution, the backlog, in progress, in review, QA, and done. List view, which is best for planning, sorting, and filtering by sprint points, assignee, priority, and due dates. You can also use whiteboards for architecture sketches, sprint planning sessions, user flow mapping. The goal is tasks for work, docs for decisions, and boards for the execution plan. Now for the bugs, a simple bug workflow would be the new, triaged, in progress, ready for QA, verified, and closed. You want to create a bugs list and make sure that every bug has reproduction steps, expected versus actual, environment information, and severity. And lastly, you can connect GitHub or GitLab so the PRs show up on tasks. This is one of the best ClickUp features for software teams. You can link code work to the tasks, as ClickUp can link spaces with GitHub repos, so tasks can be connected to commits, branches, and pull requests. So in general, this approach will work best for startups and product teams that want one system for dev plus docs, or maybe teams migrating from Trello or Asana and want stronger Agile support. ClickUp is especially strong when you want to keep product planning and dev execution plus documentation all together. Once again, if you want to set this up for yourself, go ahead and get started using the link in the description down below this video for convenience. Thanks so much for watching. If you have found this video to be helpful or informative to watch, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos similar to this one.